Philippine officials and residents of areas that bore the brunt of Typhoon Rai pleaded for food, water and shelter on Tuesday as damaged roads, flooding and severed power and communication lines hampered relief efforts. According to the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, Rai struck last Thursday, killing nearly 400 people and affecting 1.8 million, displacing 630,000 of them. Felipe Driblaca, mayor of the town of Tubejon on Dinagat Island, said, "Our food supply is running low. Maybe in a few days, we will totally run out." The Coast Guard has deployed vessels to help in relief work and is trying to reach areas that are still cut off. Danilo Atienza, Southern Leyte's disaster chief, said, "The government prepositioned food and non-food items, but they are not enough because many are in need." President Rodrigo Duterte on Monday ordered state agencies to restore power and communication as he promised 10 billion pesos, that is $200 million, for recovery efforts. Foreign aid has also started to arrive, including from Japan and China, while the United Nations said it was working with partners to help in the areas of shelter, health, food, protection and other life-saving responses.